Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the image in Lightroom's Develop module and zooming to 100% so you can see noise clearly. First, enable lens corrections and remove chromatic aberration. This prevents sharpening from amplifying artifacts. Once done, set your basic panel exposure and contrast so noise visibility is accurate. Make sure to view the image at the final size you'll export. Now you're ready to switch to targeted noise controls rather than global fixes, which preserves detail while reducing grain. Next, go to the Detail panel and start with luminance noise reduction around 1025, then increase until noise drops but detail remains. You'll use the Detail and Contrast sliders to bring back texture. Move them slowly and compare. Make sure to apply masking in sharpening. Press Alt to preview, so you sharpen only edges, not noise. If noise is localized, use the adjustment brush with negative noise reduction or clarity adjustments to target those zones. This balanced approach removes grain without smudging. Finally, review at 25%, 100%, and the intended output size to confirm the balance between smoothness and detail. Adjust export sharpening for screen or print so you don't overdo in Lightroom. If you see smudging, make sure to lower luminance or increase detail slightly, and revisit masking and sharpening. If a specific area looks altered, undo the adjustment brush there or reduce its effect. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the Detail panel on and off to compare before and after. You'll spot overprocessing immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.